Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Support the transmission and disconnect it from the old crossmember. With an 18mm socket and wrench, remove the factory bolts retaining the factory crossmember, followed by removing the crossmember. After removing the crossmember, clean the area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. We recommend prepping, priming, and painting the crossmember's mounts before installing your part. This will ensure that the mounts continue to be protected from rusting. We recommend our Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Step 3. Take your replacement transmission crossmember and slide it up between the two brackets. Tap it into place using a hammer if needed. The side of your crossmember that sticks out should face towards the front of your vehicle. Once your crossmember is in place, take the included hardware and slide your screws into place. Screw on the included lock nuts, followed by tightening your hardware with an 18mm socket and wrench. Step 4. If you didn't paint your crossmember prior to installing it, paint it at this time with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Finally, reinstall your transmission. Then you're done.